Hey, this is Marko, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to find more information about the subscription fee in Empower. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So if you want to look at it, go to your app and tap on the icon on the bottom right of your app to navigate to your More tab, and then tap on Billing. Then you have timing of subscription fee payment. So they generally debit your billing account on the subscription due date list in your app. However, to reduce risk of potentially incurring an overdraft, we may delay the debit if we see that the balance in your billing account is beneath a certain threshold. And if you want to pay your subscription fee now, you can go to the icon on the bottom right of your app to navigate to your More tab, tap on Billing, tap Pay Now, and just follow the on-screen instructions. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.